today's quick fix video, I want to show you in Microsoft Excel the camera tool. Now the camera tool has been available for years, but it shows up nowhere on a menu within Microsoft Excel. So first of all, what does the camera tool allow you to do? The camera tool allows you to select cells in your spreadsheet, and Excel will then create a picture of the cells, but this is a live video feed to those cells. So you can then paste this picture anywhere else in Excel, and as the data in the original cells change, the content of the picture will actually change. And what is nice about this is you can use this tool to create dashboards, and these little live video feeds has got picture formatting, so you can put frames around it, you can put a shadow on it and make it look very interesting on any dashboard. Now before you can use the camera tool, you have to activate the button somewhere on a toolbar, and the best place to do that in Microsoft Excel is in the quick access toolbar. Now before I continue, I'd like to ask you, if you like this video, to press the like button, also subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell button, because as soon as you press the bell button you will be notified in future when I upload new content to my YouTube channel. Now yes, let's go back to Microsoft Excel. You will see I use the latest version of Microsoft Excel, and the quick access toolbar has moved to the bottom of your toolbar. Previously it was in this green area at the top on the left hand side. They have moved it now to the bottom. Now first of all, I need to add my camera tool to the toolbar. So what I do is I click on the drop down button here. I go more commands. What I get in front of me is my actual quick access toolbar. Now you can see over the years I've added quite a lot of shortcuts, but let's go and add the camera tool to the right hand side of this menu as well. So I click on the left hand side and I go all commands, and this will give me an alphabetical list of all the commands in Microsoft Excel that I can add to a menu bar. So I just scroll down and let's see C, scroll a little bit up, and there you will find the camera tool on the left hand side. I click on it, I add, it will add that to the bottom of my quick access toolbar on the right hand side, and I can go OK. And there you will now find the camera tool on my quick access toolbar. Now before you use this toolbar, you have to select the cells that you want the live feed to, and then quickly click the camera tool. So don't click the camera tool first. First select the cells you want to capture, then you click on the camera tool, and then you will be able to click anywhere else on your or inside your file to create the picture of the cells you've just selected. So what I have in front of me is I have a dashboard with some regions on the left hand side. I show all the regions, but here on the right hand side I would like to create a little picture of some information somewhere else in my file. Now what is the difference between doing the camera tool and just paste link or copy and paste links? Because the camera tool allows you to format the picture, as I've said before, add shadows, add borders, where a normal link to cells is just a link to another cell which will display the content of that cell. So I've already created on another sheet the cells that I want to take a picture of. So I want to take a picture or create a live feed to these cells in Excel, but I want to put it on my dashboard. Now some tips that I want to give you. You will see that you have your grid lines switched on. Keep in mind, if you have cells that are empty or seems to be white in content, they are actually transparent on your dashboard. So if you've got a green background on your dashboard and you create this camera link to these specific cells. At the moment, everything that is white in the background will show the green on the other side. Maybe you don't want that. You want it to be actually displayed as white. So what I'm going to do, first of all, I'm going to take these cells without colors. I'm going to make the background color white, and I'm going to do the same on this side. We're going to take these cells and make the full color white. So when I take a picture of these cells, those cells will have a white background and will not be transparent. What you can also do is you can get rid of all your grid lines. For example, if I should take a picture of these cells, those grid lines in the background will also show up in my picture live feed, and that I don't want. So how do I get rid of those? I go to my view button, and I have a section here which says show. I will say get rid of the grid lines. So I switch it off. So now I go back. I do have my camera tool on my toolbar, and as I've said, what you do first is you select the cells that you want to capture. So I select that. I then click on my camera tool. My mouse changes to a very fine lined cross. I go to the sheet with my dashboard, and wherever I click, the picture will now appear. You can see, because of those cells that I've made white, it is not transparent. It will not show the background. But what is nice now, this is a live feed, but it is a picture. So I can format this, I can size it, I can make it smaller, I can make it bigger. Let's say we put a border around it. Let's go for a green border, and let's change the border size. Let's go to the weight, click outside. You can see that looks quite nice. Maybe I want a shadow on this picture, so I click on it again. I get my picture toolbar in Excel, and I can go picture effects, I can go shadow, and even put a shadow on it. So you can use all your picture tools for this and then move it around. Now this is a live feed to the other sheet. So if I go back to the other sheet and I change, let's say, this number to 10,000. 1, 2, 3, I enter. Maybe I change the header to sales 20, or let's say regional sales. I already have that here there. So let's go regional sales. And as I go back to my Rand sales or my dashboard, you will see it automatically updated. Brilliant tool to use if you are using dashboards in your company or in your spreadsheets. I would highly recommend that you activate your camera tool, take pictures of cells, and then paste them wherever you need them in your spreadsheet or dashboard in your file.